Ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mbia mwana sana umwanchi umurigeria bigita sene kya Ndizi TV togo kwariga ni bene naenda sentunda ya gatatu chinga kitwanta gusanga imeyo murobiri obwensa kya bono mambia bana kumenya bukarenga omugeni tobere kagwikirana ase studio na ndeni mbegi ngo mwari baga ase gikeke kerebosyo elinde abeka gusanga na intwe amangana alingete obocheno umwanchi umurigeria ngo kwenyoria ngam nabokana gutubatia sense mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Boigona bugosanga na intekerengeri kya goseli boli yago. Wetrasi namba yesimi ya 0792192834 opini location yago tumanye ngayo kubwatia omoroberiko na boigoli boli yago aseli tukulia lero ndireli liga. Kondo mwanchi muri eli atengere bega lya bene kumwariga ni ase studio atomanye na kyakorukwa na ndenga yakorukwa. Karibu sana.
Yamano. Asili tanguru kwa Nancy.
Okay.
Nyaboke. From Bosongo Hospital. General nutritionist.
Okay. Karibu sana Nancy mambe yabona igantu bwato moboko kuba naye se studio elinde obeko bosanga no mwanchi umuriyele nwe tumwanchi umuriyobere gakwebolya mabolya mange kubwatikana n'abasubati bali bebu teraneti abasubati bali bakobonge n'indagira tubwenete ko abana bake ego emambe yabona igo mwanchi umuriyele ntobeto gosanga nere Nancy abeka gotomanya tucyakira sensemo y'abasubati bali bebu teraneti nabo gotomanya ngam ndagira kiri umusubati yabwenete kolya
Ono guchakira nutrition ele wide.
Okay.
Na kero to guchakira kero musubati wa alternative into binge biko happen in between.
Okay.
Ono gatige go metente wate mungina. Tuwate umwana. Ono kero mungina koragira wika or make sure ngendagire yokuri. Eringi yasi afya yao at the same time eringi yaso afya y'umungina. So igami ibintu biro banda kurigirira. Egente tanga ni make sure ndagire yokuri. Nendagire tari watiri umwana. Ndagire wate afya.
Okay.
Alafu omuntu kirari musigo bano manyete nabata bana ebara abantu babere none njero kuragira abantu barakonyara kuragira nyoragira kimambi oye nabaimba ka saa 9 na mpaka saa 10 na maybe saa 2 ono saa at least you have to take 3 main meals and 2 snacks sawa ono go minute nga ono breakfast yae
okay
basa ina nyoraga snack kae basa lunch aragire saa 10 aragire anyo snack no barabara gete main meal sawa sawa
ako buno mwana uri to ko ire skuro make
ono kaimete indagira bono at least one nata gete ndagira somebere na leto mebere ono week at least indagira akaraki akonya mwanzi so 3 main meals plus
2 snacks.
They should be nutritious.
Okay.
Not anything. Sawa. Then kitu ya pili for example, pregnant women take a lot of vegetables, take a lot of fruits, na matunda.
Okay.
They are vitamins. Into what food groups? We have 3 main food groups.
Okay.
Tubate carbohydrates. Carbohydrates ndagire ebatomenda chingu.
Okay.
Eyere tubate okima, tubate machere, tubate amatoke, eyekire tubate ebyasi, tubate ngori, ebinge bire.
Okay.
Then ndagire komenda chingu tubate proteins. Protein ndagira ekagaro mubero buru. Bodybuilding foods.
Yeah.
So this includes animal proteins and plant proteins.
Okay.
So these animal proteins, it includes milk, it includes meats, it's nyama, tubate insu, tubate magena, tubate plant proteins, legumes, that's beans, dengu, chimbisi, minji, so many soya.
Yeah.
So then tubate vitamins.
Okay.
Like tubate era matunda chinyeni. So endagire kiro chiri satoigo that's we call it a well balanced diet. Always mondo debes that morito maba kigori kigeito lazima nyora well balanced diet. But now as a pregnant woman this food will need it more.
Okay.
So always make sure that it's well balanced. Even though Christmas pattern in clinic iron, folic, those are the supplements.
Okay.
Because sometimes you don't have money to have enough during the delivery to Nando kurage rukukuya ukanya kuri commenting development y'umwana wose yo cyataragire tibiya utakane danyo rumwana chikiro chite chinke wose umuntu no menya takaraki
tanyora no ne chinguru cyo pusha umwana
sawa tuto tumbo tutaba nyare extra vitamins ebikuru mana no chakara ko nyoro monta ko nywa especially amabere na bwate calcium na bwate iron asumusibate uri monitor yeah. On bianyora well balanced diet, and an extra and extra meal.
Okay.
And apart from a well balanced diet, always give high fiber. But that's what I'm more about constipation. So I don't think high fiber. High fiber means a whole grain. But I want to know Kima or Tabasako Magoli Silma Savo. I will see Namasavo, because you see Namasavo. I get a Silma Masavo, but the fiber. The reaching a lot of fiber. That's why we say a lot of fiber digestion process. No most about the molito, and a lot of fluids. Anywa maji, chai, erugori, the fruits pia utamsaidia kumrehydrate. Rehydrating ile tumeitoa sakara tusapoa. Sawa.
Okay, vya sana mbiona sana Nancy asogotweresera igo asobwagare akurinde ngo abako batotebinga umusipati ubwaternity abonetari 3 meals a day alafu na snacks timetinga yo omuchandogo chorwera ekyagera ngonyara turabasipati mbaroro konyora maybe ngori yare endagireye maybe atari kuri endagirere balance ngonyora abasipati mbaroro maybe okonyora ngo mwana obeiro monene nkike gochagia happen go sendagira kichiri omontarari onyore mwana obeire overweight
umwana kuba overweight ego cyane ibintu bingi itana mukonya is genetic as a family already rwaye mibakonya abana abanene
okay
kinegenteke iya kabere ngo batene cyo umuntu kuragera during pregnancy ando marore ende kwanche ibintu bigwanza sina ko KFC kwa nanga taking a lot of fatty foods Woko ndagere fatty foods that is the protein is to ataba ko chinyinge abakonyoro mwana akareki abayiga monene again to kende sangi nabakonyoro munda bata usilobere wa pressure usilobere wa whiskey and na konyoro na most of the time abana babo bakuchibaba banene that's why kero konyoro musibati ari musigo onya kabato bere wa pressure usiskari ari bangi baba bakutuwe katamu ustere bango baba bakutuba batabukimiti mukyanda akuba ko nyoro mwana ara munene akusiga mapema gusa mundata w'uruskari mwana ni 7 months time ko nyaro sipanya ngo mwana ara munene gusiga awika ririye auchikoiboro mwana ari chikiro chinyinge bangi bamba muchibasavayo so what you need to do is to tangana riyoro morito that's why to tera sema to basomi always can clinic as early as possible. If there is any problem error, will do mapema. Again to yakabere. And tomaitia mangana ya yokoragera aligo songoro aligo support the pass of yabasabati. Almosigo, tabara sena kibabanta koragera. We do those sessions. Okay. One of the basomiri. Ego motra tama iteninki abanta kori kwanya to amo gaide. Manga ninki abanta kori ninki abanta avoid. Sawa. Okay. So sengine na mazoezi na pakira ba asipati wao chibacha ngo sitata badena mazoezi ari wao chibakora sengine yupita saidia ona ko make sure mwanta ba naso ase asipati bari musigo ile chinda bakuri yakuri chinda chipata mafuta mange ndagira beru beru balance that of course chinda njira kunyara chiri yani taking to the but kinne limits
Okay.
Because matokeo yana mutu. Sawa.
Okay. Vya sana. Timeti nansi libolindiro mwanchu muligeria kweboli. Maybe kero monte bwatiraniri ntubate chigwiki cy'intangano semitenyere metangane. Umusubati oyoiga nkori yale endagera same no muntu ori bwate maybe 8 weeks ama 8 months wichabo. Maybe category nero rototebenga from the first week ya pregnancy to maybe metenyi fulani chi endagera nero muntu aboneta koli maybe kawo ikemetenyi fulani nero raboneta kupunguza usenera aboneta komenta.
Mano. Chindo mwete chileta tofauti. Muntu naro kubato burito the first 3 months kwanya hakuna kitu inaingia anakula kitapika.
Yeah.
Kwanya raonde kwanya nabata appetites. Onde kwanya ngumu as usual. So these people you treat them differently. When what am gonna you vomit, asthma, omuri neki how you to control the vomiting and then na kito para anyole ndagera touch come a week. No yo koragera. So you advise ali ndagera as usual. And ndagera te kemu ni kujua what are you supposed to feel during pregnancy.
Okay.
Kwa manya ninki obante koli, that is okay. Ono kuruabu, onye kubate any problem, then we handle the problem. So when you no vomit, then you just come to body and time chomete, na kabato burtobo ko vomit. Tabi ndakora, kali kandagera kasinini, kidogo. Egera akwa kasinini ko no choroke, itabaki kidogo. Ko tabi take a lot of sips ama chakanda usiba make. Anyama murarangire kama kindu. Sawa. Ni ndagera yao tusikwe kama mafuta mangi. Ni sukari yangi, basi ndagera yao itwasuka, sukari. So that totema koreto ngara accommodate the changes. Sawa. So ndagera tu yati umuntu ko tele first trimester okoli second trimester okoli third trimester okoli. The stages changes. So na kwa first trimester kene ngira ko nonye. No ka second semester kwa nyanga appetite ya chire ndagera kweli. So you handle that as the case comes.
Okay, maybe chi condition inchiro maybe omuntu abwate anabokonyora ngomuntu nabwate maybe pressure asabantu bari bwate maybe pressure igoro aso musubati obwateranete maybe ndagera nero rabwenete koli nero atabwenete koli.
Yeah, we are mono kirobate pressure. So we will handle the pressure.
Okay.
This pressure sana turigiriri pressure na ndio during pregnancy anafanya mtu kawaida tu apata pressure ando bata. So mtu bata pressure kitanga ni avoid chumvi. Kula chumvi kidogo kwa chakula yake yenye mivia ndani. Ama chane matebya mangana ya machane koraki kusa osotera nonye kunyarekana. Ando wana bantu toko matebya ali chocolate. Kose chocolate na kwa nkora yaka wangu.
Okay.
Bano kumokani. Then oriyeri endagera ya kuri enke wake as we said. Sawa. Ama lyoga ya pressure again naro. Then the pressure ya yeri goro tado ya kunywa macha mangi. Punguza macho ni makego tu aliyerango. Na ande onye neki iliyo ya yunyu alafu relax. Ocha nyalitali. Ozo meto muntu bate pressure kabato kare molito nikisi kingapi. Because pressure it's a life threatening, especially when you are pregnant. So muntu unoyu ati nyalitali tomo kwanere we control the pressures tomo mafundisho amanya what need to be done. Yeah.
Okay. Nansingi yako garo musubati nkonyorole chinga kichinde ndiro kero musubati ebwateranete nkonyorole ndiro comment weight ako gain weight osenkonyorole ndiro ko lose weight ningi yako okuragira byatari kora gosakoragira excess. What happens?
Okay. Mna tota wali tangani alina bantu babiri. So how you are feeding it will determine ngomentori chikiro osikupungula chikiro. Nawe tota bangu muntu narakonyora kirari murito ndagire kwanga.
Okay.
Nditwate bakucharo ragira. So pero kubika bantu babere oyo koragira kirari murito no koragira kirari murito na watu babere tofauti.
Okay.
Yokonyora arete osaro sitari nguru and is very energetic kusengina naongeza chikiro. So okomenda chikiro so oko lose it will depend on mutakoragira. Yeah. So rasi noragira biya mutaragira tubiya tukomenda kiro mwana tangu kiro. Yoda komenda chikiro metingo mwana oli tataro karaki. Kiro komenda chikiro metingo mwana korariki.
Okay nale. Nkonyorole umuntu agutwara cravings tibetire kimogo advice abaswati abaiga abachi manage because umuntu raro maybe what cravings cyengo kariyo ka chips kariyo ka nende yuna berabege ko affect umwana oli abogolete maybe ngakimogo cha mwa advice baba ko manage.
In terms of cravings, it's a very big challenge. Lakini rene kushitoka makubakwanira, ege umuntu atanakomanage. Bondo tabanye bwachito sene ngoko. Kwanya umuntu anchito sene ngoko deep fried, and anchito bile crunchy. So, ege ntano chama tai make sure ke rokole sene ngoko yao, don't take to sokoli nene. Nakula tu kadogo, nakula na mboga mingi. Since chinga mchibate fiber, nguchire chikonya mafutari, chikonya na ino digestion area. Then I take a lot of fluids. Nene tabanga na makino na bakwina na machare wona. Sawa. So, sengine tumene tumusubati utige cravings you control. Because you control sengine into byota na afford. What will you do? Nebangu afford yoli. Sengine na bakonya rangu mwana kwa homoire kuna bana a lot of that fats. Noro mwana obe chikilo chimingi. Ngwabo nitakwenda siesi nyo bako ile siesi. That is another risk. So ni vizuri you try yourself and control. Asini nchoba beroyo ekubatu na kiyo monto ko yonali. The moment uko yo control na bo accept the control. The moment uko yo achilia tako ina kadiri inataka.
Okay, ntobato gukwanira gabunga koria endagira gatatu tuko na ndi ntobato gukwanira snacks, maybe snacks chire specific kama any snack to mbiere.
Snacks mbianya red dry snack.
Okay.
The dry snacks they may include okay, kuna you can take even a fruit. Waliba uchiba kunyamana bakoroka, can take a dry snack like a bread, can take the noodles, can take the spaghetti. Sangine nonye popcorn to watu no shonga chiko kaushana bere, but especially first trimester kukonya chira sana ndio wa vomit. So we should take dry snacks. Na biscuits, kuna biscuits zinazina chumvi. Lazima sukari. So those dry snacks in between the feeds takusaidia. More especially as when wa break pa vomit. Watu ndio vomit na kunywa chai, na kunywa juice ka blend. Then abukunywa na bukunywa na karabuani ga na ka maybe da ka strong saka chai. It's just a snack. But the snack it's a light meal. Ndio wate main meal is heavy and the lighter ones. So these lights the light meal that no musio machere o seri toke but the snack na we classified under light meal. Ya kanya in bikuta sa ile ko sasa kana sa kuma tokoli bokima o sasa ine tokoli machere so bokima so ite best light snack.
Okay, asense meyiga ya heavy meal na light meal kirekende na boko ogosemi mwanchu muri ile maybe ndeli yaboneta kuri heavy meal na ndeli yaboneta kuri light meal.
So assuming kwa bokire breakfast abantu babona tanga ko weke mandi urugo kimorage. Because breakfast, lunch and supper they are main meals. Ni vizuri asubuhi mtu pate chai, kwa afford chai, kusero goli. Sasa uli wanti kuliho kimawaye can eat. Onyole chai ya unescot ya wita na bokoli mugati wale wa afford unaweza kula mandizi uchemshe ama kaange ama mchele. Wale babiro na afford. Lakini kimamene wanto mtu at least ule ndagira kwa umwake. Sawa. Egera asa ineyu. Oya ka snack ya kadara kare lights. Unapata maybe na kunywa chai so orina ne fruits ngatoka katobu so the watermelon depending on the affordability kwa mtu kale tofauti. Then osero ngoli na kunywa kwa mwenye yataka mambi. Then chiwi ka lunch time anyoro kima na usito nalite. Tulipo kima na lunch. Ngara anyoro kima wao nyore chinyeni then anyoro protein. Sometimes when you fruit kero you can add fruits. So a protein to the can be animal protein or plant proteins. Any of them. Abukoliro mkima kosorium machere, na chinyeni na protein. Kosori ritoke na chinyeni na protein. At least ndagirere heavy okoli enda correct. Sema tumugasa gasine nyingi gasa physical activities. Ke wikasa kumiga konyara badi ndateri ncharabu mono. You can take na bani kwa mwa amyo mache. Yeah. But what is not food. Then abo kwa mwa yonyo kwa blend ya food ka wiga. Ati mkonye go food osa ni watere ka chai. Can take even a chai with a cascot. Magoroba na bokulu kwa but usikule mingi kama
lunch
na kurarure
gaste yogo karauta
ropa ra kujorana endagiriri ko jore ko pastor tero para gas mono aso nya manda uchi bana tachikiri
okay ekero kurigereria nere buya omusibati ubwaterenti yachi no mugako yechinga kyako go baseme igori endagera abonete kuri
ya inere bwana rete bozo matiko mucha no mugako ko mo basenyo ko barais no no provide umete wan musibati abere musigo tari bonsi ba para gas
okay
kwanyanga amafundisha yanko mwa sacha tamaita kumina hotel ne bintu byao ndio batilia ngo rongo ba mafundisho itakuwa rahisi hata kuyafuata hata yatamsaidia kufanya nini ndizo mafundisho
okay asense mende maybe almost but you got an chindagira nchiro rawene ta avoida ali chinga kichiri ya internet
yeah, especially ndagire bata masta mange twateba tarana kuria na ndagire bata spices but bona nandi twatanga chinda chile tofauti kachile chile tofauti ngera kwa nyoyo kanyoyo kya akateki achite so egenda bonto kumanya kwanza amanye ukiabone tukuri ukiatabone tukuri onye ndaye kwa some cravings amanye how far they can go and what are the risks
okay
sawa so kuna masawabira mena kinche je mwende kwenda well balanced je mwende kwenda little salt ndage tapa spices at least they put an extra protein then kuruga abo amanya akoreki atagana lakini moto or moto afai kukunywa pombe ama sigara those are the risk things ndio sana nasomea leo umeshika mimba hivi onye ukunywa marutigana onye ukunywa sigara tigana cause hizo vitu hazisaidia mtoto just take ndagara ya kawaida kishaza mtoto na sioni midi ya mtu kunywa pombe
especially uswadi
wana mswadi yake kunywa maruki nenge yako nyasumu just take something nutritious ila akonya sumu
okay maybe effect ki omuswati arabe gakonyara maybe oyo ratumike maybe amarwa gose sigara asomwana uri abogorete
sangine amarune sigara it's life threatening asomwana na bakonyora nono bultu na bara ruma wose na botaru konyora mwana uri atwale ndabata TB especially when you say sigara akafanya TB na mkampa mchaso mwana na there are so many risks of it actually kilo mondare morito so tabone kwenye mori because amarubono atakonya kenda asomebera atakonya mwana ukina atakonya mwana kuma mentra kenda manyinga so why can you give food to the baby
okay
mwana ndagere kumukonya ukina na maru kanywa after kwa koreki
kwanyarira mwana bedela era kunywa after kugongirire process kogonya
nani bado oiro mwana ma because ekioko na kyo mwana ko
okay yes sana onto abeto gukwanira process igabwa se maybe garese ekero mwana riro musipati uri abogote maybe nutrients kichiri mwana aganeti erindabe kagukina buya riri arinda ya mama mwabo
not all the nutrients nutrients main to na proteins carbohydrates na vitamins
okay
as nachiko konya mong na ko tabanya carbohydrates na konya mong na ko rekwenda ko for energy umwana sangino maite extra carbohydrates is being converted into fats konya chiro mwana sangino especially the muntu abutire chirase ke tambe to battle self chia sumobere ona konya na chikoba cha umwana cha kutumeka na yabne ndayo anye carbohydrates na tata ba the same time chiko mungina okukina growth mwana ile kama konya chiro okukina sumobere
okay
vitamins chigo konya immunity neko mungina immunity mwana nega sana paraki nega sana kwa mwana so apart from those the main nutrients tupate minerals na iron calcium ili kwa chindagire chitoko no buna mabere se mana mabere na calcium na wate iron ebyo asamani especially mwana katatu kwenza mwana na somo ni ndio murito then ndobate supplement to twaba echo kana teche ko mukora kutambe it's also chokonyo mwana ase also the anemia tachi kotora anemia na asomo ndobate ndigunga beta carotene kwa kwa libate lido vitamin A sana ya kwanya somwana baby development kutoka se ila bwani ile kile it's a very good supplements yeah at least anya bwani oli it's a very good supplement vitamin A.
Okay ntokwa ndiramba rokonyora tote ba chinda nchire tofauti mbaro maybe bakwiguno na harufu yenda geragete kwanyora ngango vomit bali barabutumetinga cyuko bakonya maybe ndagira nere bakwe batali ko igubali ngakibara moko ba advice ensemeyo
kero muntu uri musibo just identify inkyo mubiro wanja inkyo mubiro kwanga toko mubiro wangire anya na harufu anya na harufu taite umuntu akurasire ndagira kwa because the moment harufu yo rocha kwakire ona si challenge yego chebe ndi usora ibe
okay
that's why we advise musibata musibo tabasotra nyombera bwika sangina wana naro utaka atara fitungo mutiokera onde skuma ya mutiokera ondo chikora yente tengo oruka so itakero monta mukone onene harufu ya tareti achana nayo mtangaze kitu yana fanya nini kula sa mwili itaki abengo sivyo muntu ruwalite usine chansa atabe uchikora usino mugati okuru si lazima ukule mukate achana nayo take the alternative
okay ni kawaida umuntu koroke kerale muntu ama it is a condition
no it's not all pregnancies but na kirende gocha etafauti so kuna nyeleza kujo ukitapika it's one of the it's one of the signs kujua kama mtu kuna mimba
is one of
but not all people vomit not all people vomit kuna mwingine anaweza kuwa tu na fear to nausea kufeel kutapika na utapiki sawa naroro maybe yani okay not all women can vomit but it's also one sign of vomiting so in such a case make sure and we call it harufu just avoid because we have varieties of foods ile kitunguru tangeti warasenda yaone ya mafuta ile nyanya kawaida ukule
okay
onye yangira mafuta tokoti ndagira paraki okay kule kitu yenye na induce vomiting
okay maybe timeti ingaye kuikira musibati bwa trinity over special diet
especially kero muntu konyanga kero musibati agoje a clinic tukwate chat tukwate
okay
to monitor ngaki weight chai chire ngaki is there any progression between the mother and the baby konyanga bano for the 2 or 3 consecutive months umusibati yo very static kiro chiri commenta all static so I will come in mkuboli ngaki ngaki what's the problem because the moment start skinning mwana utakukina so then nchenko somi the constant case story ile kyokora yera appetite tayo then kurwa bugori kayo because lazima kuna shida si bure hivyo then from there na supplement eko bi de bona to bat supplements to bate some chindaga ngeto konyara chire in terms na obosiga gosi plant nuts to sto abasbat bali polito especially kwa konyama chikiro change para kitu progress meaning hakuli vizuri ama anatapika ama labda hana appetite ya kula ama anakula but akuli the diet so nitamfunza kitu ya kwanza chakula yenye anafaa kula nikishamfunza kama ana afford ataniambia kuna wengine wanaamini tindagera njabona mai tete konyole kingonyana kinkoraki
na kingoli
na bantu nabo kera konyole ndire serikali chiyatuma chindagire chitwa karaki kwaba bato nyoyo tari konyara afford abuko ani yo tembara konyara afford abuko karaki
Okay. Aha, biyamana sana Nancy. Nkonyorole ngam timeti ko se minimum weight nero rega niri maybe kro musbati ai maternity nende nkonyorole ngam nero maximum tabwenera ti kirengo ngerera tabwenera ti wetani maybe kera etani re kirenge kirali mugo chaka ko monitor a diet ya na ende kera etani re keiga airanire nsikegima abanyore naro rekira maternity maybe abwata chikiro 60 maybe rika umwana bonete komenta chikiro nyaranga ngere kwira Nancy.
Mung'ete ari musigo kostore okay kumonta ose omondo chikiro chaine chiningi ose ne chinge to nga BMI
Okay.
lakini wana somo ni mando tuka BMI because BMI ne chikiro chaine no kutambe wai kama sipata ya muto ndo tuka BMI to tuka kendo kunga mwaka ntongaro
Okay.
Agora tua qualificação. Tua tumeta. Equivalente de outra. Você é da área underweight, você na área overweight. Daí nós apanhamos na área underweight. That's where I come in with supplementation, counseling. Sasa hii kitu ndio tunatumianga. Hii ni mwaka. So this mwaka tukipima hii itanionyesha kama ako normal, ako overweight ama ako underweight. So nikijua kama ako underweight, then I will start managing through the diet and supplements. Nikijua ako overweight, nitaanza kumfundisha kama anakula chakula nyingi apunguze. Kama there is a certain nutrients anakula kupitia kiasi apunguza. So that tujue shida iko wapi. Bibi kama ni wale tu generally genetic, there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay, yes sana. Detera watirira gabo turasoso mutimo komukega tokoira na bono ntoso asense mo yabasubati bali bakogongi tumanya kurigereria na asense mo yabana bali bayiboiro mbiamo no sana mwanche muri ile bweta Seneki and Ndizi TV nigo tokenta gosanga imeyo morobere wensa kya bono mambi astogenta gosanga nere Nancy oyore nutritionist kora senye gitali ya bosongo oyogenda tagotosemia amange igoro yenda gira umusubati bwata ntiyagwenta koli musubati okogonge na boigo omwana oliobeire gakwibura kono mwanchi mulire tosaso mutimo komoke igoto sio message nduka ke igoto koira nanto beto gusanga mange
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi. Ayumuremyi giata kurworo gonkorwo gusi nikisemo chiyetanaine wono nankakinde yonsi tarira eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nikisaye chaye bwenyorera mariogo yugusyarire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yandamange na obare imiyumu chobusongo ansamangacho Akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza Angena Market Plaza Orosagironde Nigorore opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Naboigo Orosagironde Nigorore nsemo ya Jogo Angene skuru yobroso ya Jogo Primary Naboigo okoba kirisimi Ilikoma nyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited Growing healthier future one harvest at a time.
Mwacho murigereria umira na Nchemil Red Momanyi gochakira buchi tariki emerongevere nebere goikachi tariki emerongevere na kyanda engaki togo chokoretera eyemaseyemo amorokereri yoboremi korwa ase omochio Nairobi gakoretwa sore negeta Seneki and Ndizi TV engaki kyabwaterane no mobogani o Camel Park
togo chikobaretera mangana na oboremi kobaroki oboremi bunabaremi gosomete mama ni muzabibu mama ni oh yes. So, and we are going to do what we call face painting na eating competition huko hivyo abalimia ndagira ito ama toka kutuno
tumerne Jamhuri Grounds courtesy of Camel Park
the pride of Kisii
na Ndizi TV
Omwasubo Magusi.
Come back.
The Bride of Kisii.
Na Ndizi TV.
Omwasubo Magusi.
Welcome to Luther Park International School. We have started.
Luther Park International School ni skuru y'echinse chamaiko iyo yachagetikwe ne University ya Cambridge asere gwetanya chinse 150 amasomo aye nigakotiri umwana na komwali bagali igire kwirwanira asiti sector ao imeyense niko babwate birasiye uchakira kirija year 1 wika year 4 asibabwate bintu byokosomera bisaine unabono chikompyuta echo chikuru amasomo yekerero na bwigo mbabwate laboratory yekerero yani science laboratory niko babwate biruko byo kwikaransa bisaine bya baroki waba year 2 wika year 4 mbabwate bintu byokobugyo muziki unabono guitar, drum sets, keyboard, egatie binde nikubabwate asagaya asabana bakoragirira nabwigo nabalimu umwana wosoma ase skuru ye natwarubuya wikwibwatanya ase chigosoli unabono skating wako pali wako mupira bw'amaguru wika karate mbabwate stadium mwenene asabana bakogosoli chigosoli nabwigo busire byego byabana ale nayo umwana gunigare bwatanya munebirabo unabono kirija drama na music kirija debate club journalism scouts egatie binde nigoba guchaka kwarigani abana guchakira emyaka ibere amaliganyo yani admission nigo egenderete nigoba gutuka asebara ya Kisii Kisumu Migori Junction hamwe n'inyagitari ya Busungo wigo nabokubonyera gwitras kinamba cyabo inoti 72 cyanda eyemo 72 imye cyanda inye isaronemo wose inoti 72 inye ibere isaronesato isaronemo eyemo ibere isaronesato.
At Luther Park International School, we don't just have teachers but facilitators of education who are highly competent and very qualified.
No mwana bw'ekyanga kya mitumba kire ky'abaana amu n'abantabanire na nigota gitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabali entambe asago kireteire gisiri na munwa
Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igere opposite St. Jude na ende RBN Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate bintu mbalimbali bya mitumba bono cyanga cy'abana ntubwate ci household ntubwate ci wood ntubwate ci jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products cia mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tobone ganto introduce bikoro na some slippers crocs bigo toko barangeli munyara ko mogoja sama Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mokwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1 kare watire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntobanetia baligereri bali siko bali batete guchaka biashara bachicha sema Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga nakiba wanete bachaka biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 sema Mama Tefi Mitumba kwanyorere kare batokere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwanda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imeyumu cy'omusongo asenyo mbere ya Imperial eyo chirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St. Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesi minakobeka eoda ya olero Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
abiro kama Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome Ochakia gose kogenderea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumu Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells
kurikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyiri eduka okugenda kujya ibintu byose biri gukorera imirimo yawo Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuricheze cyo cyonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiria chikuburukanibwa ne computer na boigo chiri spray paints no chire mbabwete chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Hebinto au biogakora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers. Banyore old Sansura building angena Kisi main bus stage gusua Kisimi asenamba enotisano nebire eye mokianda inyeisano enotinye inyeisano nemo Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Biyake igima omwanche muri ya wita seneki Ndizi TV nendengo kwaligania asentunda yo mwaelio chinga kitwenta gusanga ime umurobele wensakia bono mambia asogenta gusanga nere Nancy korwa ase enyektari ya busongo oyo ogendeta gotosemia amange igoro yendagera omusupati obwatere ntabante kolia na boigo omusupati okogongya no mwana oliobeire egako igoro manchu muri nabakanda gutobwatia sinsemo mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Bego nabo sanga na intekerengeli kyago seliboli lyago wetrasi namba yesimi ya 0792192834. Ekirando chenga mbararo bagende kupatia omorobili ya semambi ya bono igam Karando chenga Henry Kamanda katebanga watching live from Nakuru County mbiamono sana. Clau Nyakes, good morning team Insakia, tuned in as usual. Karando chenga Lide Nyaboke Noali Meyomrobeli Roda Ruth akatebanga from Gulf. I am watching the show live. Good morning all Ndizi TV News Digital fan na boigo all Ndizi TV Digital team mbiamono sana. Elvin Corazon Kiss ndo chinga nabwata maboli gaiga Nancy naboko yireneri atanga ekerna abere morito ngo igwana ali maroba. Is it healthy that way?
Okay, mbiamono kero mo ndari morito cravings ni chinga gochutwara ono nabaku igwali amaraba ondo igwali bibu
litoboli.
Those are just cravings. It is not healthy. It's not healthy. I think no maybe kwa nyama beretu oye gente but it's not healthy. Ona kiro kwa gente make sure don't overdo it. Because bono chori maraba you no chori amagena you. But most people saying oise kiro kuguria maraba basically ya manyinga ari fresh
akarange
nabo akoera. I don't know, maybe you can try it, but it's not healthy.
Okay, maybe ekero montako igwali amaraba egentongero rokere deficient aso muberoye
in a normal circumstances so mondo no mwana maybe you can say it's lack of iron. No mondo molito ine craving tu yani umwana igwali into specific ndo tara nganchingi wete kwe warufu getega ndo ta maranje kuna bano masacho nange there are so many things just cravings.
Okay, nabegoli bolindira ronga what preparations nutritionally should I do before conception?
Nutritionally what I can advise government those people who can plan of which I don't know there's no plan if you can do proper planning then the clinic IFAS ama iron phosphate utumie for the first 1 month before conception.
Okay, vya sana. Tobito kuligelia sense medio musbati endagira bwenete kuli atimete no bego gotoere sera sense mende nutritional problems ekero musbati oli ebwa trinity.
Yeah, there are so many nutritional problems they may come, especially with the poor nutrition.
Okay.
One of it, extra, you can become obese. Obese was overweight. Another one, reverse pressure, so those are some of the conditions she got. Which manage.
Okay.
Nikana kwa mafundisho onyena mangana urede kwa pressure once nago sabire nako ira mafundisho kuno kwanta ko twara control na kunywa madawa.
Okay.
Eskali bo igota ko kwa mulio control with endagira. Obesity meaning unakula chakula nyingi. Sio kama unakula one nutrient. Not basically chakula nyingi. Unaweza unakula one nutrient more than the other one. So tutaenda kufunza kule chakula kidogo vile inahitajika, kama ni unakula a lot of carbohydrates upunguzi, you take a lot of vegetables, take a lot of fluids, take high fiber diet, so that to control chiki. Those are the main conditions so kwenye mata actual experience was malnutrition. Malnutrition kwa yara want chikiro cha chini say overweight. You can be underweight or overweight.
Okay. Bia sana tusanga se umusipati yigabona aiwaterenti bono oiboire ochakire kogongya endagira kiria bwenete nerali
bono barura se umusipati ari ono konyori bo mwana so abantu babere bono bari kobakora iro metare n'abantu babere so mantaya
asa mantaya
abantu babere bari kobakora umwana oyo once kwamenya uri remember we to encourage exclusive breastfeeding. Up to 6 months. Exclusive breastfeeding community. Umwana konga mabera nyina. But up to 6 months. So konga umwana up to 6 months, meaning you have to eat well. Konya mabera konga umwana up to 6 months, lazima uragire bia. Uri ndagire koleta kabere. Iwe mama chini amatunda. Unywa amachi amange. Nyine chai karasibu, chai yarasibu ye koko, gose ya maemba. Nyine onda ongera gukima, kawaida ka gukima wao, chinyeni, protein. Koze ndagire yokuri, mwana uchikobonga. The reason as to why, ngwa encourage umuntu uragera bia, kuri wore kesikira kwa umuntu, nabonge tu mwana mabere tayi. Gose kwanya mwana magongiri usene maybe 1 month mabere akateki. So it's good only yanke umuntu otanga na poli. Motara akreki. Kira kwa mwana. So I want to such a way to go to con. Umusipati ukagongiri make sure bana banyakongiri kwa rasire. Kwanya umuntu ndago wongiri ochaka kolera immediately.
Yeah.
So kwanya what stress kwanya vera correct. So I want to have humble time. Kira I want to be well balanced. I want to be what the fluids. Fluids inge minute supu, chai, rongori, sobonge. None kira ndagere ko ekweje ku make sure mama urinya mege batoma seto. Maseto uri bod maro. Na mzuri especially kwa sakorasio mogongo. So aragira very well balanced diet. Actually aragira tibia mama maziwa inaweza mkosa. Nanda atware enough rest.
Okay.
Tanya okolega asio monta nyoro mwana na rogosera sero cyari okolega asi mabera udisabia.
Okay. Mparo roko nyara bako ba advice dengakera aiboiro mwana ori nere buya abega kolia eskuma ngankoletera amabere otebigo nga avoid koliri nago ngeli gosiria amabere timetensemo yawe gakiora ba advice.
That is a myth. Dark green leafy vegetables chini sana so komenta amabere. Dark green mean tali chini green o green boli to basa ko choba ko kitani color. So gache dark green konyanga chini ni chonspi ama tundonspi. Nasaidia kuongeza maziwa. So, if the water ngatinga rinagu sikiango zamits. Levi to be a true chingaki. Yeah.
Okay. Narogote bangera kuiguria amatumbo yenkoko. What nutritional value does it have?
Matumba ndonsi. About the nutritional value.
Okay.
Abaye ngombe, abaye nkoko, abaye whatever. Azinanga nutritional value. It's just for pleasure. Yeah.
Okay. Aha, vya sana. Rafael Veri lavo ngata ngakora kisi wonchari bogitanyange na tunde mi present agata makwane nego cyasema mameri wochere motio na baske ba Minto Melvin and Evelyn mbiyabona sana Elvin Corazon chinga cyogende takobwatia umurobiri wensakia abono mambya asense molinde y'umwana erendagira kiria bwente ko ikintu bwatenga mbaroro konyaranga kiraba iwiri kwa nyagotenga konya komwa mache negechikanya konara timetiere so mwana erendagira kiria bwente ko
from 0 to 6 months mwana kini kia bwente ko mwana bwente ko ba asa akamenya mabera nyina up to 6 months esa babu to batebo mwana up to 6 months ndikutanganya mabera ya nyina about all the nutrients mwana atagete. Okay. It contain all the nutrients. Kendo kia kabe. Mabera always are available at the required temperatures. Ale troba no nyanya ukendi. It's always available at the required temperatures. At the same time, mabera yangina. Mabera yangina always. Whatever. Amangana immunity catered for. Okay. So in a controlled kila kitu. So sionangi the reason as to why mosibati yako karaki hapo chakiri mwana amache usevu glucose usakara ngulu. Unless another way seven to barabara chigasi. Konya na most of the time konya wala 3 months month karaki chigasi. But we encourage month karaki or express. Okay. Breast pumps machi pump chiro manda akokonya ko express mabera ndo watenya no botamu about obo preserve mabera specifically umuntu nya ko afford you can just get it wa express mabera watigero mwana at least mwana nya breast milk up to 6 months sawa. Okay. So after 6 months kago chiro kare up to 6 months, 6 completed months. From there, go chabale toba mafundisho. Kia ku mwana ndagira. Yato mera mafundisho, acha ku mwana ndagira. Ndagira nyemo at that time. Turbo chaki mwana ngori. Momweri toke, momweri tunda. You start one food at that time. Okay. Omone tena ku mwana yakuri ndagira. Kira kuri ngori teimiale aharuka eyasoka then kiro mwana yali na kia respond nande kiro ko mwana ndagira kumachaki nebigongi chaka mwana yakombe kwa kuri yakombe specific ko mwana maybe na chiko nampea ndagira nsinimi nuko increase gradually kwa na mwana correspond okonya wachakire ndagira tene ngori most of the time to chaki derongoli then maybe aga fruits fruits na wapa ba litobu kasaba avocado oseri popo so kama matunda make sure you do one fruits at a time ya kwa mwale oli tunda na vitu kulima ndivyo ndio litoke kulima mwanta akia kuli akia correspond onya kulibia nya kwanga tigana tabitere abichaka ipopo. Okay. Then the process you come introduce one food at a time you realize ndaga nera atagete ndaga nera kwa akwanga so area ilikuwa nyarwa nera ko just give small frequent. Okay. Mwana kwa mchakata bose 6 months ko mami one ndaga nera one feed mo feed limo 2 months mwana nyankabere ana gotira uchigonya kwa 3 years.
Okay. Ngoba ko kwaneraga bwa sensemo yerungoli atimeti erungoli ko specific yebituma eyoboli ose okonyaro bosimbororo biga bosiro bwebekirese chi supermarket beduka maybe
omwana umuchaki orungoli yebituma nabituma bibisiri na masabo tari bibiye packets remember ubono ba masabo borusiri fiber mwana no kumachaki ndagete ba fiber ngocha constipation okoliye ekwerende obosibori bituma kuri bosima masabo ora sekarumuri agasini nyakao omuchaki nege chiko na ekonde uode mwana tarika wania takubere ya ng'ombe. Okay. So utampe yoji ya mahindi ande abantu bavuide kubukani na ngo abituma omuri chenju omena konyara omonto abokani mpaka ching'ende emete ebinto eko koburukani echi nodules na legumes.
Okay.
So the legumes okoyikwayo it takes time. Nebituma tatabe legumes nabenga ching'ende kero gochieka it will take time.
Yeah.
Nebindi the boiling point sechire tofauti unekara kola sikanya ng'omwana okomoye nteke make bese okubukani fats ase busiobu kwanyara ngo fats they cover for like 1 week. Kwanyara ngenda busiobu cover for 1 week. Watwalire after abere converted into sengine bokugunda peta mafuta isiko ya bikase akendu akugunda ono okubukani busiponi nonena kwa ngenda rero yakateki busiponi bwa wundre bano ko mwana so so ni vizuri kwa mix so sibe mwana bwe ngori just mix two okubukani ebituma ebi okubukani no byo kubeka rero so bonchu ko kaiba tobukani ebintu ebingi kira bikinyingi bikibesata.
Okay. Arako bali Elvin ako boringa nikianza kumpa mtoto chakula nafaa kumpea feeds ngapi kwa siku?
Mtoto akiwa 1 month we start with 1 feed. Hiyo ni ya kumonitor kama anakula.
Okay.
So akishakula 1 feed leo umpea leo kama hiyo uji atakunywa aje. Bado mtoto anaendelea kunyona. Hivyo after 1 month utampea hivyo 1 week 1 feed. Kidogo hiyo feed it will depend ni kiasi gani pia. Na wako manga chika kama mange. Alafu motikasi ni nyomo ya kwanga motikana. So maybe hiyo 1 month tuende 1 feed per day. 2 months we start 2 feeds per day. The 3rd month we start 3 feeds per day. Depending from mwana kwake spot.
Ntote babu kalinga umwana atabwenerete kulindagire nde yonsi osaboneta ko nywa mabera ali yangena oikoikire 6 months mbarro konyara maybe mamu abosirira at birth timete barabunga kibako konyo nsemeyo
ko mwana bana nasirire we encourage ndowate formulas baby formula.
Okay.
Ndowate man ndowate little meal. There are so many there are varieties. So ina bako mwanto kwate nani ya 0 to 6 months. 6 months to 1 year. Ona kwa mimi ya 0 to 6 months. Abo tumeka ke wika 6 months so we start at feeds.
Yeah.
Tobendena na 2.
Okay. Mbaro roko nyara still umwana akogonga na ndi bamenya ko ba mabera yiganana. Nebwenerete gose ngakecheba.
Tebwenerete. Because when I thought I know mwana kirakonga up to 6 months is specifically breast milk. Wale tu ame substitute kwa nina carrot ndio mwana up to 6 months. And all the nutrients required by the from the breast milk. Because the 7th month we start feeding.
Okay. Ndagera kiri maybe omusubati oyo kogonki omwana abwenete go avoid.
Tata wale ndio tangani avoid caffeine. Caffeine ekawa. Wasana chanya ya kawaida.
Okay.
Tari kwa tamabere. Biyatu meke koko kusesoya. Then twate avoid amaru. Avoid sigara. Sawa. Na ndali a very well balanced diet. Tabasa ko kulindagera yeme nyingi. Ali ndagera kawaida tu but make sure it's well balanced. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe chindagire maybe nabachira gera mabere maybe tasoka use.
In case mabere kwanya na alinse into what supplement ko mama lights.
Okay.
So mama lights na supplement ko koleta mabere asaba nyuma. Kwanya nga bono supplement ya aberense abere ka kulinda ya lakini bono abere tari enough. Toko mo encourage eyo kono most of the time tributo kanya bitali to kwa kwa wale otomeka just 3 no watu bekaiga napata maziwa inaanza kwa flow.
Okay, apart from which supplement maybe ndagera na almost party ukogonki abwenete kuri boost ya mabera. Na boko tumeka that green leaf vegetables twate bate a lot of fluids. Okay.
A lot of fluids. Wasema de kwanya romo mwana mabere tayo na tumeka compression so kulie aga sport karama machamoro compress the breasts. After that periods no mwana wangu. Frequent breastfeeding, breast compressions na take a lot of fluids. Na taking the green leaf vegetables. Make sure na breastfeed frequent. Mweto mwana kala makara wako nyora kora. Tosa kumutela sako bote na konga.
kwa motora
2 hours 3 hours depending na kama berali
okay maybe ekero guturu mwana bata usine myth bata ngaturu bwana de guturu mwana ngato motige njara okay maybe umwana uri otari kogonki bubuya effect kichira abekikonyora umwana
mwana kwa atari kogonki ko abo mwana kwa underweight chikiro chikwira nase ngose nyora mwana oyo tarikonyora all the nutrients required
okay asitote banga for the first 6 months umwana nabonta konyora mabera ali yangina maybe aso umwana uli utanyora mabera ali maybe effect kichirabe chikomonyora wasa mabera ya yangina asimitinyiri mitangani na yenginjo sana so umwana uli mbuya kiborora kero umwana konyora mabera ali
mwana wansanyora mabera ali yangina tuko ndio mwana alanyore infection go se anyora mabera ya kero mwana immunity ya yense always immunity mwana kwa very strong kera ngeta mabera yangina mabera it's well balanced it's well balanced so mwana takwa underweight go sabe overweight so mwana kera kanya mabera yangina nyo mwana ale the required body weight chikiro komenta chikiro kawaida tu because mamkungina gakoragera biya mwana nyora mabera ali na chikiro chiko na ukini adonyo ro mwana nyina terkoragera biya go star kama wanki bune bwana to na chikiro chiko kanda isi ande obrukanie ndani no ekwerende ne mabera konya no mwana immunity ya yere so nyakotwara likuba nyakotwara wase urero bondo basibo wacha kwa karaki wana kumagende so make sure mwana kama up to 6 months mabera young is very essential
maybe sometimes endagera nero romo iboli ara umwana ekosio kominyoka bengido wanda diarrhea maybe ndagera keyo so that umwanchu muri ile abega avoid
umaka kwa mchakire ndagera especially from 7 months and above yende tangana community hygiene mutinyo mwana ukanye konga tanga kulindagera oninde yayo otando itendagera yaye ndagera ina hygiene aneza diarrhea igende kende ibito biri umwana gutumeka tibye ndagera make sure na after aragira akorire sterilize ko bekasa macha mu rubya tokata cyamsonyi cyare ngaba cyakaraki cyagoro ndagera y'umwana make sure nyene yo kuyekwa iye kabisa paka James Shiroro onye fruits yo komwa make sure what sibiri kwamanye komwa hygiene nengito kyamu mukara kwa hero umwana if you don't maintain hygiene umwana ara myake bobe and then ndagera y'umwana kera komwa yo kwa mwire yatkarire isipete wazi mchuni kana paraki ne mchuni biko ugali abikore tarata James kwa mwana uri kumwenda gara paraki ko habisha sasa kwa mwana ndagerere kendo nanto mwana ndagerere ari kanete always mwenda gerere luko
okay Elvinda chatanga we encourage exclusive breastfeeding also because it helps in family planning timete exclusive nere yeyega abukora ilesero manje muri
okay exclusive breastfeeding meaning umongina akonke mwana up to 6 months akariko mwakele yonse none na mache that's exclusive breastfeeding in terms of korinda family planning asabantu robate esaiko yabo ere regular metabantu bari regular na bari irregular asabantu bari regular it's easier ko breastfeed alafu ekone breast family planning but asabantu bari irregular others it doesn't work.
Okay,
but maybe if you try it and it works, that's good anyway.
Okay, maybe family planning nero romo spati okogongia bene tagutumika so that it mo affect and affect umwana yiga kogongi.
Family planning cha kawaida ni it's tabe chinyinge chabo chingwa affect as in yani zina affecting afya ya mama those what it will depend vile when you respond. Lakini nene itakuwa affect si nizi zingine mipira ama kweli.
Okay.
But hizi zingine pia it will depend vile mnaelewana. Unaweza tumia the implant inafanya vizuri, unatumia tembe inafanya vizuri, inashina inafanya vizuri. Ni unaenda mpaka hospitali clinic so that nurse akuguide akusaidie ku guide you to choose the best family planning.
Okay, yes sana. Ante tingoro basembe bwabo obwomali cyaso mwanchu murigeria tuchakira no musubati olia oyubwataranete mboseme kiora moye kubwatakana nindagera bwenete kulia.
Musubati bwataranete gentege tangani. The moment kwani alasinga kubwataranete. Njwe clinic. Osongo nibutari itonto bwate clinic. Oche takwa basemi. Ochake clinic. Onye design condition yego chikwa rice. Handle mapema. Ego ni mchanora chikwa waroro. Yo. Toyo rigereri. Tokonya mapema. Omo oche clinic inchwe clinic no mugako. Ego twa bakonya kwa basemi na ndio understanding yakoba. Yakoba rice. Osongo hospital. Ndobwate okuchita twara pregnancy awareness.
Okay.
Wana na umogocha twa mafundisho na kimogwente komenya na kimogwente koragera egere nari afya y'omungina na mwana yachukareki kubiye.
Okay. Kirekende omontorio ganite gocha ase clinic ensemeri ya nutrition kirekende ndimo gotoka kororere mbakarerere
basonge clinic tori from Monday to Friday. Especially MCH. Kila wote na wako na oversight kwa story.
Kwa saa ngapi maybe mbe?
Kuchakira saa 2 mpaka saa 11.
Okay. Ete banongo ali bakalia beno bali gani obatebinga obukolere mu kurugali no bwekirano babe bako batalera.
Byapana sana. Bigereria. Na mwigole ngo bayasera mafundisha yo kuyanyara Bosongo Hospital. Bosongo Hospital to wate chi services chinyinge including MCH tupate postnatal na antenatal na buto usome basibati na kwa bero musigo na kyokoragera na kyo okwerenda gikwa nyorero mwana abatoko basomi na kyokonki ochi ndo aba mafundisho especially bale kanya first mothers batamaitira na konki mwana twagosomi na kyoko bwato mwana na kyoko magonki ndagera kyokoli egera kwa kugenda kana kwa nyanga no bwate information.
Okay.
Sawa sawa. Ona yaba sibatu bebwata ntisai simbaga tukwebwatarani. Welcome Bosongo Hospital. You get the best services.
Okay. Mbiyamona sana Nancy asokwera chinga kichago cha bene gwikira na studio basomi mwanchi murigeria metenga twabere to gwesomya mange mambiya bona iga na inde mbachiko babako mukigetambuke na bwe gwikira na asinye gitariri ya Bosongo elinde kwenekia nganko enyorera bale obokorere borobu yake mbiyamona sana mwanchi murigeria kwa bere ko gusanga nente korwe mambiya yali ngengia gwikira bona iga kiro mwelio ngotengambye mono sana tumirana ndeli tukolia ankyo astrabe tugusanga amange na bigombye mono sana gocha sensemo ya job maangi oyo bakagotwali bagalia bene lyo kwaneke ngatobere tugusanga no mugeni bweli tukolia lero na bigo Abigail Nyanchama oyo obagakwaneke ngachibi channel yogire gukira sole asenchire ya bene literane Kirubwa Frida karibu tena sana.
Asante.
Okay.
Nancy. Makori from Bosongo Hospital.
Asante sana, karibu tena sana.